working out. It's like mommy's.
It's a nice one.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay, huh?
I have another one.
That has your name on it?
Yep.
Okay.
Little round head fella. Watch out, man.
Come, buddy. That's Taylor's Cam.
Yeah, that's not yours, buddy. Open that big one up behind you.
That one right there is his.
Oh, that's...
Okay. Yeah, that's yours, Camden. You can open that big box. You said you wanted some more Pampers, right?
Are those toilet papers?
Pampers.
Those are real Pampers.
You said you wanted some more. You don't want them?
Bottles? Yes.
Y'all, this is gonna be his favorite gift. Bring it to Daddy, so Daddy can take it out. Oh, it is? Okay.
Let me help you. Come here. Come here. Let me help you. Can I help you?
What's that, baby?
Can Daddy help you?
Remember you told Mommy you wanted those? The roller skates? You put them on your shoes?
I did want roller skates.
You put them on your Crocs. And you can roll around the house.
Can I do it right now?
After you finish opening your gifts, yes.
Throw some paper away. Right?
Huh, Taylor?
Hold on, brother. Hold on. Let me show you. Can I show you?
Yeah, I know. You like that? You like that, Camden? Which outfit you gonna wear tomorrow? She has so many nice clothes.
This one. And what is she gonna eat?
Y'all, this is his leaf blower. This is Cam's leaf blower.
I'm cleaning up because I'm the only one who's cleaning up.
Y'all, Cam went and put his boots on so that he could be fit, like have the finished look. Or look, Cam. Look, Cam. Look. You got a suitcase.
What is that for Champ?
Look. She got a suitcase too. What's that?
Yeah.
What is that?
And a roll. Wait for floor.
What is that, buddy?
Alright, this is the best day ever. I can't decide why I want to open it up.
Are you excited to have it back?
Yeah, I'm so excited. Put it on me. Can this open?
Yes, it's the same one. This is the first one you ever had.
It's not. Oh. So I can put a note in here.
Well, they gave you a new one.
I wasn't there right now.
It's Halle Berry.
That's Halle Berry. What?
Halle Berry.
What?
Why are you about to cry?
I don't know.
Huh?
So it's raining out, so that's why she's wearing this. And some boots.
Is it raining? Is it gonna rain tomorrow?
Maybe.
I don't know. Let's check the weather. Okay, I'm gonna put your necklace on, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. It's actually Christmas Day, so super excited. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, babe.
Merry Christmas.
We are headed down to my parents' house. It's losing focus. We're headed down to my parents' house. The kids are in the back. Cam, what is on your head? Oh, hair grease. Say Merry Christmas. He's so sleepy. Taylor, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
All right. The whole song. And Crew's down here. Crew. Crew. Hey, buddy. Hi, cutie. So, we're headed down. I'm already starting to get a headache because it's the car. I think it's the car and electron. I don't know, y'all. I don't know why I keep getting headaches, but I'm about to hop off of this though so that my head doesn't start hurting bad. So, and the battery's about to die, so I'm gonna have to charge it when I get to my parents' house. But I hope you guys are having an amazing Christmas. As you guys saw last night, we allowed the kids to open up more of their presents so they could like play with more things. But they were ecstatic about everything that they got, and they really enjoyed everything. So yeah, that's it. We got Princess Jasmine here. Go girl, go girl. Sashay, sashay. Go, go, go girl. Go Nani, go Nani. Your hair look pretty. You look so cute.
If you want to touch this thing, have you seen that TikTok?
What?
He was jumping with that dog. It was like, I need my little dance.
Oh, I do my little dancey dance.
Come on, crew. Do.
Hi guys, right now I'm on my phone texting people.
You texting people?
Yeah, and I got a new phone case for Christmas.
I can't do that.
What? I can't do that.
Sit lay down.
I got a new phone case and now I can see.
He's really ready to go to bed. He's like, CJ, move. He's trying to get the covers. I'm gonna go bed. So I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas.
I hope y'all have an amazing Christmas.
Today
was
us, everyone.
I had a fun day today. It was so fun because we was actually.
Sharon. What was your favorite? My mom said, did you call her for
My
something?
favorite part was opening Christmas
No,
presents.
she said she was listening.
Not auntie? What about being with family?
That's my favorite part too.
What about waking up this morning?
My favorite part.
What about God giving us traveling mercy to Mama's house?
That's my favorite too because I'll touch my phone. So.
What about happy birthday, Jesus?
I
What about food on our table?
like that too.
Yeah. It's not all about the gifts.
What happened to your earring?
Say peace out, Girl Scouts.
Peace out, Girl Scout.